love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always.
So today we are actually hitting the mark of 60. So whether you actually consider this to be 2 months or whether it is one more day short, because a month can have a 30 or 31 days, in whichever manner that you have, I would say we have come very close to 2 months. We have finished the base of the Python. We also did Panda, and we are in NumPy. So today is chapter 60, 2 months of Python, and this is chapter 19 in NumPy. So last time we saw the seaborn, so now we are getting more into visualization. So right now what we're going to be seeing is normal distribution. So the normal distribution is something, the Gaussian curve, the normal distribution, the plus or minus sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. We have actually learned at least from our 6th grade or the 7th grade. I don't know what is it right now. But one thing is we have been learning it for quite some time. Okay. So the normal distribution is one of the important distribution. It is also called as a Gaussian distribution. The Gaussian distribution is named after the German mathematician, and his name is Gauss. I'm not sure about this, but I think there is a currency where the Gaussian curve is also there. Okay, I'm not sure about it, but don't take me like that. What it actually means is if it fits a probability distribution of many events, that is the IQ score, heartbeats, etc., we use a random normal method to get the normal data distribution. So you see how important this is, normal data distribution. All right. So let's actually move on. Like always, we'll be trying few things. So the Gaussian, the normal distribution has 3 parameters. LOC, in a way, it's a mean where the peak of all the bell exists. There is a scale, standard deviation, how flat the graph distribution should be, and the size, the shape of the returned array. So these are the 3 parameters that if I were you, I'll just be thinking of. So let's actually take this and let's actually run this and let's actually see what it has in store. So I take this. So like always, this is like a no-brainer. Okay, from my NumPy, I actually import random because it's a random. We need a random distribution, and we are plotting a normal. So from the normal, from the random, we are plotting a normal of size 2, 3, and we are actually printing x. I trust you would have actually understood this code. Let's see what it gives. See here, 2, 3. So 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is the 2, 3, and we are actually, this is a normal random this thing. And this is what I've been telling. Okay, so let's take the second code and let's see what it does. So here it's the same, that NumPy as a random, and here what I do is I've used all these things, the LOC, the scale, and the size. Here I only use the size, but here I use the scale and the LOC. And what does it mean here? The LOC is a mean, scale is a standard deviation, and the size is the standard of this thing. So this is what we talked of, and we have all the 3. So let's actually run. See here, we have this. All right. Now let's actually get into a visualization. Now if you want to visualize how the random distribution is, so from my NumPy, you import the random, and then you import the MATLAB pyplot as plot. You import the seaborn, and then you use the distribution plot, and then you put a size, and you don't want a histogram. I think this code we actually saw, and then you say a plot of show. So the more and more you go, you'll be importing a lot of parameters, MATLAB, seaborn and stuff of that nature. So if you actually follow my course, you should be able to see it. Now let's actually run this. It will take some time, but let's actually run this. And let's see. All right, see here. So from -4, this is a normal distribution. So what actually happens is, in a class of 50, okay, this is the average curve. Okay, we all know. So these are the persons who are failing, which is negative this thing, and these are the persons who are the toppers. Okay, which when I was growing up, I always had a thing against them, how the hell can you make all these things? I'll be very happy if I'm in this line. Okay, this is celebration. But I know persons like, most of my, not friends, but most of the persons that I know of, they actually fell here, which is a positive this thing. And I had a lot of friends in this area as well. So this you can actually relate in your day-to-day life as well. All right. That is all, friends. We saw about normal distribution, and we saw about the three things. We saw how it has been plotted. Now, if you have any questions, kindly contact me, and I'll actually try to explain you and help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.